Welcome to Dormer's Garage. This following video series is going to be following along with the restoration of my 1985 Marlin Magnum ski boat that I bought a few months back. Bought this boat knowing that it had bad stringers in it, and as we tore into it more, we learned it had really bad stringers, and pretty much everything is completely rotted out. So this is where we're currently at right now. I will post some pictures following this, kind of get you caught up to speed on where we're at on the project. Now here's all the stringers completely rotted out. Not much left of them. We're going to redesign the whole structure a little bit and do all new wood, new fiberglass, and get it kind of rebuilt back up. We have had the boat running just to find out that we ended up having a cracked block. So a further one will be rebuilding and put a new engine in here with a bit of a horsepower increase. So overall in pretty good shape, along with a bit of a trailer restoration as well built into the video series. So follow along as I get these videos posted up. And the first video series will be on removing the boat from the trailer. So give me a like and a subscribe and follow along for the videos.